to add language in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add any language. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now, on the top, tap on your profile icon. Now, here on the right top, you can see this editing icon. Simply tap on it. Now, we're in this profile section. So this is the place where you can customize your profile. Now slowly scroll down to the bottom part. Here there's a section called languages. Simply select on languages. So here there are some limited language that you can select or add into. Now select the language that you want to add, and here on the bottom simply tap on save. So as you can see, the language has been added. Now we can simply go back and the profile has been saved too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.